He's trying.
Maximum effort.
Bro. Yeah, we're getting ready to leave, bud.
Get my backpack all.
What do you got? How you guys feeling?
I'm feeling pretty great.
We're skipping?
Yeah.
We're skipping? Yeah.
School for cool.
We got our boat. We got our wee boat in here.
It's off to sea with us.
We need to give the boat a name, eh?
RCSC
The Seahawk.
Ducky 2.
No, we need to the ducky too, yeah.
Alright, let's go, come on.
Bag.
Alright boys, you guys ready to go?
Oh yeah.
Alright, we'll check back in when we get there. Very excited, very excited. All right, we made it down to the water. Finally.
Yep.
We're in the nice pavilion.
After probably about a kilometer and a half of walking
Yeah,
this.
no, probably more, man.
How much do you
Definitely,
think
definitely 2 or 3K.
Yeah, how much do you think this thing weighs?
It's pretty heavy, man. Hey, Bergen, it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it is.
We had to carry it far.
We.
I mean, you guys had to. Okay, I'm a cripple. It's not my fault.
Yeah, it's not.
All right, we're gonna get this boat set up now, and then we're gonna go sail.
So I've been planning to take these freaking flip flops off.
Your Gucci flip flops.
Yeah.
The Gucci flops. I don't have any Gucci flops. I got the Kadeep shoes.
That's good.
Where's the
I'm
pack
rocking the
flip-flops?
Vans.
To the beach.
We're gonna sort it out there.
Motherfuckers! Forward! Act for the house!
Oh fuck!
For rain and country! And for the Dominion! You gonna shit your pants? Ew!
Oh!
Kid just shit his pants! One.
Oh yeah!
Where is everyone?
Right, because this is where it's just gonna get damp. This is where we're gonna lay our stuff down.
Yeah, let's build a sandcastle, boys.
Who wants to watch the boat?
Bergen. All right, are we ready to launch?
I don't think that ship's gonna know us. Yeah, we're ready to launch.
Okay.
Bergen?
I'll grab this side.
Bergen.
Oh yeah, good idea. This is scary.
Okay. Why are you bringing your speakers?
For music.
Okay.
You don't want to get bumping while we're on the water?
True.
Hell yeah. All right, we'll go. We're on our way. Why's your back so greasy? Is that sweat?
No.
Yeah. All right, boys, we're heading out.
Go.
How we doing, boys?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, dog.
Pretty good?
That's your lazy ass kid.
Pretty good? Hey, I'm crippled. You don't touch.
I'm crippled.
We're actually pretty far from the beach now.
Push, bro. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, Brock, push. You're pregnant, remember?
Yeah.
Push, Mrs. Johnson. Push.
I'm Dr. Brown.
Mr. Brown.
See, what I want to do is I want to go out to
I want to go
that
to pier.
lighthouse there,
Yeah.
and then there's a red lighthouse just past there, and I want to go see.
Yeah, let's do it.
We gotta play like some nautical like sound effects. Should have brought my Bose's pipe.
Yeah.
This counts SpongeBob SquarePants music. Oh, who lives pineapple under sea?
Oh,
Brock, apple pants.
come on, let's go. Who lives in an apple under the sea?
Raw apple, bobble.
If I was to live under the sea, what would I live in?
You live in an anchor like Mr. Krabs.
Yeah. Mr. Krabs is my spirit animal.
Yeah. Oh fuck, you're over.
Fortune cookie always wrong. Never build a Canadian raft too well. Dylan, have you got a shot at my hat yet?
Yeah, I can see Brock's.
You seen mine?
RCSCC Niagara, HMCS Ontario.
You know what? What sounds cool?
On terrible. St. Crackrins.
St. Crackrins on terrible. You know what I should have brought? I should have brought a pair of binoculars. Brought a pair of binoculars. Dylan, Brock, go. Now, is the band of black moving this way or that way? If it's moving
That
inland,
big foggy cloud?
the wet clouds, the one's gonna have rain in it.
Where?
If we're going inland or outland, it depends on how long we're gonna be in the dark for.
Oh.
I think they're going out to sea, so that's good.
Well,
They might shoot over us before it starts raining.
hopefully. Yuck. Okay, we're about to land.
I'll be the first to get out and I'll moor our boat up.
Alright.
Drop it. And Brock's out next.
Alright.
Out in the center so you don't flip the boat over.
Nice. How are we gonna dock it?
Let's go up.
Hold up on the water.
Yeah, the inside's inflated, eh? Wow. Shit everywhere, yuck. This pier's so abandoned.
It's so sad they let this place go away.
Yeah, it's sad. It's such a dump now.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice to still have it, right? Most cities would just...
Oh, that's smart. You pulled the boat in.
What's that famous pier that you have used before?
Pier 6.
Yeah.
Yo, Dylan.
It's crazy how run down the pier is now.
Seek it at respect. Nautical institutions.
Hell yeah. Represent. Stepping in seagull shit. This was completely submerged. It's crazy to think about.
Yeah, I know.
I might steal some footage of the drone footage of this pier when it was under the water and this pier.
That wouldn't be bad.
Yeah, there's a YouTuber from St. Catharines who drone.
Yeah, no, I
footage.
saw that video. That's a awesome video.
I hope I can steal some and I'll just like put his name in the
Put his
description.
name right now.
Yeah, I don't know his name, but
We'll do it when you
I'll
can.
put it in the description.
Yeah.
It's really sweet footage.
Are you away?
Do the back.
Ah, you're right. Watch the bag out there, okay? That actually might be the RCMP, because they have a boat detachment. Cool, eh?
It's a good thing we weren't there, eh?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Rich person's yacht. Dun, 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 look out for the rocks.
Ask him if we can come aboard.
Oh, there's the geese. The geese.
Oh, it belongs to this one belongs to the marina.
Yeah, of course it does. Only rich people can afford a port.
Take a video of the lighthouse, man. We're massive.
Rocky's filming.
Can you take a picture? I'm gonna hop up there. You want to take a picture down there?
Sure. But then we're going to the
Literally
beach.
just it's just a cylinder.
It is just a cylinder.
Yeah, but it's a nautical cylinder. It's cool.
A nautical cylinder.
So you tell me a cannon's just a...
What the hell is
steel. This gun's just a...
Is that
Are they
them?
coming back?
What if all you see is them they're pissed? They're like,
What if we park our boat in their spot?
they'd be pissed. It's gotta flow, you know what I mean?
You got it, Flo. Alright guys, we're in a bit of a predicament. There's a thunderstorm coming. And we're in the middle of the lake, yo. Here's the pier. We have to go all the way over there. We're in a bit of a situation. Ripping it. The boys.
Steady, boys. Steady.
The boys are look at how much Brock is trying.
Maximum effort.
Brock
So
never
far,
tried
Brock,
this
it's
hard in
easier.
his life.
No, it is not easier.
Yes, it is. You get more power for your stroke, Brock. There we
Trust
go.
me, I think Brock knows his stroking.
And it's starting to fucking rain.
Oh fuck, no way.
Oh shit, yeah it is.
Oh fuck, go! Go! We're gonna die!
Shut up.
We're not gonna row back. We're just nearly escaping this storm that's about to happen. So we're carrying the boat back. Cause why not?
It's at this point that Bergen really wishes he brought flip-flops.
Same here.
Yeah, me 3.
Hear that?
There's a boat coming. It's not a Sea-Doo, Bergen, it's a boat.
Oh well.
What?
I don't know what I'm doing. No, I shit myself.
Bergen Apple.
I shit myself.
Bergen Apple. Bra Apple. Come on, Bergen, get over here.
I shit myself.